others online the same way you want to be treated. Your words create impressions, so avoid confrontational language or offensive language.
Emoticon can help express tone like a simple smile, but remember, they are not appropriate for professional or formal message.
To keep your message clear, avoid text talks, acronyms, or slangs. Not everyone will understand shortcuts. Always proofread your message. A few seconds of checking can prevent misunderstandings and mistakes.
Be smart with what you share online. Protect your personal information and avoid posting anything you may later regret.
Respect diversity and viewpoints, even when we disagree. People come from different backgrounds and perspectives.
Netiquette isn't just about rules, it's about respect. Be kind, be thoughtful, be responsible. Make the online world as a safer place for everyone.